This is the cold hard truth kapag bumili ka ng big bike na brand new. If for keeps naman to, okay lang na bumili ka ng brand new. Pero kung beginner, personally lang, okay, you can do whatever you want naman. Personally lang, I think that you should buy a second hand. Kasi may adjustment period, mababagsak mo yan, baka plano mo mag-upgrade. Unti lang atang ganong katapang na magli-liter bike kaagad as their first big bike eh. Siyempre magsisimula ka sa 400cc tapos mabibitin ka. Pero I think the cold hard truth is that kapag bumili ka ng brand new, iugali mong gusto mag-try ng iba-iba. At the time na ibebenta mo after 1 to 2 years, lugi ka na ng at least 50 to 150k. Lahat ng ginawa mong upgrades, lahat yan will be down the drain. Hindi na siya included sa presyo. Parang mangyari lang is SRP less 100k, 150k. So kapag may upgrades ka pang madaming nilagay, mga 200k kagad. So kapag bibili kayo ng brand new, kailangan talagang gustong gusto nyo na for keeps na. I think the best value is right 6 months after. You can still get it at a better price kasi hindi pa naglalabas ng bagong model eh. The golden period is pagkalabas ng bagong model, kuha kagad. Tapos after 6 months, kung mahilig ka magpalit after 6 months, benta mo na kagad. I think the price is much better at that period. Pero after 1 year, kapag especially may bagong model na, naku, bagsakan presyo. And with that said, sobrang sulit talaga mag second hand. My first 2 big bikes naman, puro second hand naman siya. And sulit talaga ng presyo kasi beginner ka, wala ka pang masyadong alam sa motor. Yung mga upgrades, di mo alam saan kukuha, saan masulit. And usually kapag kumukuha kasi ng second hand, usually formado na yung mga sliders, mga crash guard, mga exhaust. You can begin to explore more kung ano yung mga gusto mong gawin for your next bike if in case bibili ka ng bago. Ayun, handaan nyo yung wallet nyo, magastos talaga.